CodeXO faculty role-based login. Now I will explain the role-based features in the CodeXO TPO. This includes faculty login, PO login, placement officer, DPO login, department coordination officer, FPO login, class placement officer. These roles help in creating coding content, monitoring performance, and tracking student progress for placements. Faculty login. Faculty practice. First, we open faculty practice. Your faculty can create coding questions manually. Enter details such as domain, topic, problem statement, input-output formats, constraints, examples, and test cases. We can also upload questions using Extern for bulk creation. These questions are made available to students for practice. Regenerate question sets. Next, we move to Regenerate. Your faculty can generate question sets based on programming languages. Each set will have a unique secret code. This code is shared with students to access the questions. Faculty can regenerate new question sets anytime, track how many students attended, analyze scores, rankings, question-wise performance. Textbook AI-based learning. In the textbook screen, faculty can view admin uploaded textbooks, faculty uploaded textbooks. For access, a secret code is generated. Faculty share the code with students. Students can access content, practice AI-generated questions. This enables secure and structured learning. Lab coding practice. In the lab section, faculty can create lab-based coding questions, define subject, programming language, batch, and department. Students can use these questions for hands-on coding practice. This completes faculty login. PO login, placement officer. Analysis. Next, we move to PO login analysis. Here the PO can select DPO, faculty, course, assessment type. We can view total questions, solved and unsolved counts, duration. Detailed view. By clicking View, the PO can access student-wise performance, scores and status, question-wise analysis, code submissions, proctoring reports, risk and trust score, proctoring video recordings. This helps in placement readiness evaluation and monitoring exam integrity. This completes PO login. DPO login, Department Coordination Officer. Analysis. In DPO login to analysis, the DPO can select faculty and course. Details include total questions, solved, unsolved, and partial counts. Assessment duration. Detailed monitoring. By clicking View, DCO can see student performance, proctoring reports, question-wise analysis, code submissions, proctoring videos. This helps in department-level monitoring and evaluation. This completes DCO login. CPO login, Class Placement Officer. Analysis. Finally, we move to CPO login analysis. Here the CPO can select course and assessment type, coding at desk-based assessments, student-level tracking. By clicking View, the CPO can access student-wise performance, scores and status, question analysis, code submissions, proctoring reports, and videos. This helps in individual student tracking and continuous performance improvement. This completes the CodeXO TP or role-based login, including faculty content creation, AI-based learning, coding practice, performance monitoring across multiple levels. Thank you.